Good day, I am General Colanta, 20 years old from Harulete, a third year student, BSMRE Section Alpha. So, what is your philosophical judgment on the following trending social issues, and give your basis or sources of authority and arguments to justify your answer. And the question goes by either gender is assigned at birth or gender is established at conception and recognized at birth. So, which of these claims is supported by philosophy and the science? This discussion involves gender ideologies. So, give a clear explanation of your response and support it with a philosophical principles. So, in the ingoing debate about gender and how it is determined, there are two main arguments that are commonly discussed. One side argues that gender is assigned at birth, while the other side believes that gender is established at conception and recognized at birth. So, in this essay, I will argue that the latter claim and that gender is established at the conception and recognized at birth. So, is supported by both philosophy and science. So from a philosophical standpoint, the idea that gender is established at conception makes sense because it aligns with the concept of the essentialism or essentialism. So essentialism, it is a belief that entities have inherent qualities that define their identity. In terms of gender, this would mean that individuals' gender is determined by their biological sex at the moment of the conception. So this aligns that the traditional views on genders where sex is seen as the primary determinant of gender identity. Furthermore, the idea that gender is established at conception is also supported by the scientific evidence. Scientific evidence like the biological sex is determined by the genetics at the moment of conception through the presence of either on XX or the XY chromosomes pair. This genetic makeup then influences the development of an individual's physical characteristic, including their reproductive organs, secondary sexual characteristics. So these biological factors play a significant role in shaping individuals' gender identity. Additionally, the recent advances in the neuroscience, show that there are differences in brain structure between males and females, which may influence aspects of the gender identity. Studies have found that certain regions of the brains associated with the gender identity and sexual orientation shows difference between males and females. This suggests that there may be a biological basis for gender identity that is established early in development. So, in conclusion, the claim that gender is established at conception and recognized at birth is supported by both philosophy and science. So, the idea aligns with the concept of essentialism and is supported by biological evidence that suggests a biological basis for the gender identity, while social factors may also play a role in shaping an individual's gender identity. It is clear that the biology plays a significant role in determining one's gender. By recognizing the biological basis of gender, we can better understand and respect the diversity of others for shaping in the world. And that is all. Thank you.